So today we have the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max with us. So this is the latest addition. Here is the box, and on the packaging only you can see many OTT platforms are given, and below you get the manufacturing details. On the side there are again the highlighted features given, what is included in it, what you need to connect it with your TV. You need an HDMI input. There should be a high speed internet or Wi-Fi connection. Again, at the back of the box you get features like Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos audio, 4K streaming. So that's all about the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K. And again, on the side you also can see you get Alexa here. So there is a built-in Alexa so that you can just give in your voice commands. The box is in orange and black combination. Let's unbox it. So the first thing you get is the cord itself. I've kept it aside. Now let's take a look. Now they come in a sectioned packaging. As you can see, first is the remote, and the remote is again very handy and has got minimal buttons to avoid confusion. Apart from that, you have the Fire TV Stick adapter in black color. The body is made up of plastic, so this actually fires up your normal TV into a smart TV. And helps you to watch all the OTT contents at one place. Talking about the specifications, the stick weighs 48.4 grams. It has got 1.7 gigahertz quad-core processor, and as the main USP of this TV stick is 4K Ultra HD video support. So there are a lot of contents online on various platforms that come in 4K support, so you watch your content on 4K in your normal TV. Now this is the cord or the connectivity which is given here. It has got micro USB for power, and again, talking about the storage, it comes with 8 GB storage. It supports Bluetooth 5.0 LE connectivity. This cord is in basic black color. So again, the entire Fire TV Stick contents and its accessories are in black color. So talking about the remote, here is the remote. As you can see, you have got a power button. The Alexa button is given in blue, so whenever you click it, you can just directly give in your voice commands. There are volume controls given, and also popular OTT platforms like Netflix and Amazon Prime, Amazon Music and other apps have the separate controls on the remote, so you can just simply press them to open Netflix or Amazon Video. The volume controls, pause and play button, fast forward, backward button, back controls, home button. So which is why the remote is in a very simplified format to avoid confusion. Again, it's in black color. So yeah, as I already mentioned, it supports Dolby Atmos audio, and the sole purpose of a Fire TV Stick is to fire up your normal ordinary television into a smart TV. And on the back of the remote you can see you get this battery section where you have to insert your pencil batteries before using it. The body again of this remote is made up of a plastic. There is an LED indicator given on the top, so whenever you press any command, the LED indicator blinks. So that's all about the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.